What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Here I am. Can't see my face though because I really want you guys to check out the technique I'm about to explain. I'm sorry I can't show you my face while I'm playing. It's more important you see my hands. I've been getting a lot of requests for videos on palm muting. Guys are having difficulties with this, and I understand it. I know the frustration. So whatever your level of skill is, let me explain and show you a way to master this skill very simply. Palm muting involves you figuring out where between the base of the string and the center of the area between the pickups that you're going to use in that area. You're going to figure out which area in there best gives you the tone for palm muting. So palm muting just simply means you're going to decrease the vibration of the string. It's still going to vibrate, but at a lot less rate. So what you need to do is take the meat of your hand, lay it on the back of the guitar so there's no palm mute, it's just a straight string. And then you're going to slowly move your hand forward until you begin to hear a change in the tone. See that? I'm taking my hand and I'm placing it in this area here, and I'm moving it up and back to change that tone. The rest of my hand is laying across all the other strings to shut them down. I'm laying across all the strings. And because I'm laying across all of them, they're all going to get palm muted if I wanted them to. So if I was playing something where I needed to be palming the low E string and go to the A string, that A string would already be palm muted. So the palm mute really just dampens the vibration of the string. It doesn't actually kill it. So you need to find the balance. If you have a Gibson style guitar where you have a bridge and a tailpiece, you're going to be wanting to rest your hand on the bridge, not the tailpiece. You're going to want to rest it on that the bridge, which comes off your strings. Then you have that tail bar in the back. You're not going to be resting it on that tail bar. You'll be resting it on your saddle bridge, where your saddles are. If you have a Fender guitar, you're laying your hand right in front of where the whammy bar goes, and then you're going to start to move your hand forward a little more. If you have a Floyd Rose style guitar like me, you're going to lay your fingers, you're going to lay the meat of your hand on the saddles, and you're not going to hear anything until you move just in front of those saddles. And that is palm muting. Very. Now it's natural for me, it's just very, smooth, but I know where to lay my hand. Once you memorize the spot, you'll have it all the time. And then when you're striking a chord, you just release the hand. You can practice putting your hand back in that same spot to get that repeated palm mute sound, so you can duplicate it by picking up and coming back. You can see as I move my pick around, farther away, I'm on my neck pickup, I'm on my bridge pickup, so the farther I get away from the bridge pickup and with the pick, the tone will change. But it is all still palm muting. It's just that the tone changes when you get away from the magnets. I hope that explains what palm muting is. It really is not that difficult. It's all about resting the meat of your hand on the string and harnessing that vibrated sound, mutating it a little bit. If you move too far forward, you'll know it. That's it, guys. That's palm muting. Good luck. I hope it works for you. It didn't take that long to explain it. I hope it doesn't take that long for you guys to get it. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you in the next video.